Hello students, how are you? I am Dr. K.K. Rai, Associate Professor in English at PNS College Bonsi under KSDS University Darbhanga. Yesterday I was discussing subject-verb agreement. I had discussed some of the rules. Today again I shall discuss other rules of subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement is an important concept of grammar. Its knowledge is essential to the students. It is meant for the students of Shastri and Upshastri. We cannot write the sentences grammatically correct if we don't follow the rules of subject-verb agreement. The basic rule is that verb always agrees to its subject in number and person. It simply means that if a subject is singular, verb must be singular. If a subject is plural, verb must be plural. There are certain exceptions to it, which will also be discussed. Today I am discussing some of the important rules. First is, if two singular subjects are connected with and if they refer to two different persons or things, verb must be plural. For example, India and America are rich nations. Here we see that there are two different subjects and they refer to two different nations. Therefore, plural verb has been used. Similarly, if two singular subjects are connected with and if they refer to the same person or thing, verb must be singular. For example, if I say bread and butter is my favorite food, when you examine this sentence, you find that there are two singular subjects, but they refer to the same thing. Therefore, singular verb has been used. Another example is that the poet and writer has written a book. In this sentence also you see that two singular subjects have been used. They have been connected with and, but they are denoting the same person. Therefore, singular verb has been used. Next rule is that the title of the book or story or poem is supposed to be singular and they always take singular verbs with them. For example, Gulliver's Travels is an interesting novel. Gulliver's Travels is the title of a novel. After travels, singular verb is used. Another example is that Three Strangers is a good story. In this sentence also, singular verb has been used. Similarly, the name of the nation is supposed to be singular. Therefore, singular verb is used with it. Example is, the United States is a big country. In this sentence, singular verb has been used with states. The United Arab Emirates is a prosperous nation. In this sentence also singular verb has been used. Next rule is that if two singular subjects are connected with or, nor, either or, neither nor, as well as, they always take singular verbs with them. Example is, either the boy or the girl has come here. In this sentence, you see that two singular subjects have been used. They have been connected with either or. So, singular verb has been used in this sentence. Similarly, if two plural subjects are connected with or, nor, either or, neither nor, they always take plural verbs with them.